I am joined here now by Mike Novogratz. Mike, it's great to have you.
Great to be here.
All right, let's start with crypto. We've got a lot to get to, but first, everyone was on tenterhooks coming into this week with the expectation that maybe, just maybe, we get some sort of SEC decision about a spot Bitcoin ETF. We're not getting it this week, but your thoughts on when we do get it, if we do get it, and what that means for the asset class.
Listen, no one really knows factually, but when BlackRock and Invesco with us put our applications back in, that starts a 6-month clock. And my intuition is going to be closer to the end of that 6-month clock, which is probably 3 to 4 months from now. There is a judge's decision in the case that Grayscale has against the SEC on their ETF application. And people thought that might break this week. And if the judge rules in Grayscale's favor, the thought process is that there's going to be an acceleration from the SEC to approve the BlackRock and Invesco and other ETFs. And so that's where the excitement came from. We haven't gotten it. Rates are creeping higher, pressure on assets, and you're seeing stop losses.
Yeah, and we are seeing Bitcoin specifically under pressure today. Is that a direct correlation to the fact that you have Treasury yields, the 10-year testing October highs?
100%. Listen, we've come a long way this year in crypto and in Bitcoin. We had a lot of good things happen. A lot of good things get priced into the market. And one of the assumptions that risk assets keep making is that the Fed is going to finish hiking rates and then start cutting. And all of a sudden, with Japan hiking rates, their back end starts falling off. Our back end starts getting hit. And it's feeling like you're getting a washout of this bond market bubble. Maybe it's the start, maybe it's not. But that's got markets really scared. And I think you're going to see risk assets under pressure until you get some basing or bottoming of the bond market.
You just used the B word for the bond market. I guess just dig into that a little bit more for me.
Well, listen, we've had debt to GDP in our country go from 45 or 50% when I graduated from college to 130%, right? Right? The baby boomers have mortgaged our grandchildren's future. And it all felt normalized because it didn't cost us anything, right? We had this low 10-year rate, low 30-year rate, and so borrow, 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 right? Donald Trump came in and ran giant budget deficits before COVID, right? He increased government spending more than any president in history before COVID. Then COVID came, and out came the fire hoses. And Joe Biden came in, he said, well, it's my turn. Build back better, the Inflation Reduction Act, right? Huge increases in spending. And so one of the reasons the economy's done so well is because we've given everyone tons of free money. But at one point, money doesn't grow on trees. I remember my mother telling me that when I was 8. And maybe deficits become important, right? Yeah. Sometimes they're not. Like markets go years without them caring. But right now it feels like there's no buyer of long-end treasuries. There's no buyer of 10 years, of 30 years here in the UK and all of a sudden in Japan.
Yeah, and of course this has been some of the, I think, the case or the argument that's made by Bitcoin bulls, for example, especially in a high inflation environment. I mean, we can make the argument that inflation's starting to come off a little bit. Do we see a run-up in some of these asset prices for cryptocurrencies through the rest of the year? Or with institutional money coming in, does trading look different?
Listen, Bitcoin has two vectors that drive price. One is adoption, like the more and more people that understand it, that like it. The ETF is the single biggest thing that will help adoption, right? Larry Fink coming out and saying, I believe in Bitcoin, which he has, right? And the largest asset manager in the world trying to get engaged. Invesco, our partner, getting engaged. There's a lot of salesmen in those places. So that's going to drive price. The other is Fed policy, right? Bitcoin went from 6,000 to 69,000 because the Fed started taking a fire hose and giving everyone money. Like it was supposed to go up. It was also supposed to come down when Chairman Powell took out his magic hammer and started bashing inflation on the head, right? He has been very hawkish. And so it's this inflection when they go from hawkish to dovish at the same time when the government's not acting responsible in spending. We spend too much money as a government, right? We're at 24% spending, 24% of GDP spending. That number traditionally has been 20.